Hi, I'd like to thank Banyaa for sending me this under the cabinet jar opener, and I want to show you what it looks like and how it works, and then we'll install it. So it looks like this, and it's going to go up underneath your cabinet like this. It comes with adhesive to just put on here and then press it up. That's the easiest way to do it. It also comes with some screws and these holes if you want a tighter, more secure fit, but the adhesive is pretty secure too. So here's the key. These little feet are what attach to the lid of the jar, but jars are different sizes, right? So what you do is you turn this. Hopefully you can see as I'm turning it, these are pushing in and getting tighter. So that's as far as it goes. And then when you go the other way, see how they're coming out towards the end now. So what you're going to do is you will install this up underneath your cabinet, and then when you've got your jar, you're gonna go like this, and then you're gonna turn this until these little gripper feet things grip onto the lid. So the part that goes on the lid is kind of like a silicone feel, like a grippy feel, not a smooth plastic like this. So let's install it. Okay, I used adhesive.
What?
I used adhesive. If you turn it this way, if you turn it counterclockwise, it makes these little grippy feet go outwards. Okay. And then you put the jar up there. This is too big, right? So then you turn it
well, it makes
clockwise.
It smaller that way.
Yeah. And you tighten it like that. So it's tight on there, and then you, whoops, and try it again, make it tighter. So now it's tight on there. There. And then you just turn this to take the lid out.
That's cool.
Yeah. So
just
counterclockwise to bring these feet out, and then turn it clockwise to make them tight. Those little feet thing tighten on the lid. Get it on there tight, and then you just twist the jar.
Got a whole bunch of can do some real small stuff.
Yeah, you can. It gets really tight.
Yeah.
Right there. There you go.